What's up guys, this is Carlos. Welcome to my channel, Los Car 50. Today we have a very special day ahead of us. I'm going to take my wheels to get installed onto the brand new tires that I picked up, and then we're going to get these wheels ceramic coated and finally install them on the Terminator Cobra. Alright, for the front I went with some cheap tires. These have good reviews and whatnot, so I decided to pick them up. And I got these in 275 35 18s. And then for the backs, of course, I had to go with the R888Rs. These are like my dream wheels that or tires that I've always wanted. I had them on my S550 and I like them a lot. And these are some huge ones, as you can tell. 335 30 18s. Yeah, these bad boys are going onto the rear of the Cobra. And then I'm fixing to throw these in the bed of the truck. These are the rear wheels. I got them in the box. We'll take off that plastic once we get to the shop. And then the inside, I got my fronts sitting inside here. And something I just wanted to kind of point out that I did not record last time was, look at that, that's pretty cool from the inside, you know, like these 40 bolts, because these are 3-piece wheels, fully forged for those that don't know. But yeah, man, I'm so excited to get these installed. We got the wheels and tires loaded up. Time to head to the tire shop. We'll get him on that. All good, bud? Is that one?
Did it reach your expectations?
Oh man, this looks so good. I'm ready to put them on the car. Ready? So we just left Discount Tire where I got my wheels mounted and balanced on the new tires. And now we're fixing to head to the detail shop to drop off my wheels where they're going to get a ceramic coat applied to them. And as I say, you gotta support your local businesses, right? So we're fixing to go there, drop them off, and see how they turn out. We're just leaving the shop now. Top End Auto Care, that's where I came to my local shop to get the wheels ceramic coated. Hit him up if you need anything done. He has a 5.0 himself, pretty clean. So we're fixing to put on the new wheels and tires onto this car. But before we do so, I'm going to talk about these ARP extended studs that I installed. We're going to flash back a couple of videos here to check out how I installed these. So with my current wheel and tire setup, I have H&R 1-inch spacers in the rear. But now that I'm getting the CCWs installed, I will no longer need those as the wheels come with the correct offsets. So what I'll be doing is taking those off and replacing the studs with these nice ARP studs, part number 100-7723. I went ahead and got me a pretty nice set of lug nuts as well. These are some strengthened aluminum lug nuts. Pretty nice. I'll put a link in the description for all these parts. And it's really nice because these come with sockets with a little plastic wall so you won't scratch up the wheels. Aside from the reason of some nice black lug nuts to go with the black wheels, I got these as well because these are open-ended lug nuts. As you can see, I need these because for the new rear studs, which are longer than factory, I believe those are like 3-inch long, and factory is like 2 or 2.5. I'm not sure. I needed some open-ended lug nuts, and these are definitely going to work out. And I kind of wanted to have all matching lug nuts all around the car, so these are perfect for my setup. result of those fresh CCW Classics, black on black, on this torch red Cobra. Man, I honestly could not be any happier. This is the dream right here, guys. This is the dream setup that I've always wanted. And just sitting on these coilovers, I literally just got it back from the alignment shop today. Perfect. This sits perfect. From side to side, I think maybe 1/8 inch difference in height from the front and the back. Nearly perfect. That's one of the great things about coilovers. But man, just look at that aggressive rear setup. 335s. You know what's crazy is that I have rolled fenders, and yet I'm still rubbing with these tires, but that's okay. It's not rubbing too bad. Just look at the depth of these wheels. Just absolutely beautiful. And then with those extended studs, makes the car look a little more more menacing, right? So definitely, little by little, this car is shaping out to the dream build that I was wanting, little by little. But man, this is how a clean Cobra looks like right here, guys. Yes, sir. I've kind of contemplated ever since getting these wheels about changing my headlights and the tail lights to get some smoked ones, but I don't know. I kind of like the original look. I think that black housing on the Cobra headlights just fits the black wheels so perfectly. And there's just something about those original tail lights that makes me just want to keep it like that. But what are y'all's thoughts? Should I go smoked or stick with the OEM? Right now I'm kind of leaning towards the OEM. Something about that OEM look, just, I don't know. I like that the original factor mixed in with a little bit of that aftermarket that just sets this car off. I mean, these wheels just completely change the look of the car. I mean, it looks like a completely new car. It definitely looks like a lot more like Tar Heel Troopers Cobra from SVT Performance. Man, I freaking love it. So I think this is a good stopping point for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching this, for the support. Stay tuned for more to come. And something I did mention when I made the video about winning the wheels. These wheels have the big brake cut, so the face of this wheel is actually thinner versus the standard size for those big like calipers that people put on these cars. So that's something I definitely want to look into and upgrading down the road. But other than that, man, I just want to enjoy this car, the way it sits, the way it looks, the way it rides. Man, it's a dream. Man, I don't know what to say. It's just a dream. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Lowe's Car 50 out.